Welcome to this edition of the Pratt Blueprint. We'll be taking a break from the regular monthly cadence of releasing these blueprints to allow for our students and our faculty to do the things that matter most, getting out in the world and having impact. In this month's edition of the Pratt Blueprint, we'll be highlighting a number of stories from the Duke Engineer magazine, a magazine that is student-run and has been published since the 1940s annually. The stories that we're covering this month include the use of drones on boats, all the way to the student experiences in our student shops. I'd like to also call your attention to the many stories we're publishing almost on a daily basis on our social media channels all summer. Check out our LinkedIn account, our Facebook account, as well as our Instagram account to hear about the experiences our students, faculty, and staff are having this summer. For example, we recently wrapped up an extensive story on Instagram highlighting the experiences of our X-Prize team that was competing in Singapore last month. So before wrapping up, I'd like to wish all Blue Devils an enjoyable summer. We're getting ready for the fall semester, and I can't wait to welcome everyone back this late August.